Welcome to my channel Explore Life with Sutapa. Today I am back with another video, and this time it is about birdwatching in Puri, Odisha. Birdwatching at a touristy place like Puri in Odisha is nothing other than a miracle. So if you are going on a trip to Puri and want to spend some time exploring the birds around that area, then this video is for you. So come, join me on this venture while I explore the birds at Puri, Odisha. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe to this channel for such videos. So without any further delay, let's start our exploration. In my Puri series so far, I have covered the road trip from Kolkata to Puri, including the toll taxes and other details. Also, I have covered the stay options and what are the various sightseeing options that you can have. I have also covered the various restaurants, local foods, etc. what we have tried in Puri. So, I will share the link of these videos in the description box. Do watch them. In this video, I am going to cover the bird watching that I did in Puri. Also, we went to Bhubaneswar and explored Bhubaneswar for a day, which I will cover in my next videos. Since I was on a family trip to Puri, I was not sure if I would get time to visit the place for bird watching. Yet, I wanted to do it at least for some time during my visit to Puri. Last year, in Facebook, I have seen a photo of a Palas girl as well as a black-headed girl posted by one of the known birders from Bishnupur, Devanab Sen. I contacted him and he shared me all the details of the location where I could find that bird. He also instructed me that the season had just started and I might not even find any of the birds, but yet I want to spend some time doing the bird watching. So on 17 September, on our way from Puri to Bhubaneswar, I stopped at the Mohana in Puri to do the bird watching. This habitat is a wonderful habitat, but I could see some resorts coming up, so I guess this habitat is also going to end very soon. When I reached the spot, I saw another birder doing bird watching in the same spot, and I instantly knew it is one of the birding hotspot in Puri. It was early morning and this place was very beautiful. I was not carrying my usual gears for bird photography, and every moment during that time I had repented because while I was walking ahead, I could feel there are many birds there. And then I spotted it. There was a flock of Lapwing. There were around 3-4 of them, and on closer look, I realized they are yellow wattle lapwing. Yellow wattle lapwings are elegant, long-winged lapwings that are endemic to the Indian subcontinent. They are mainly found in the dry plains of the peninsular India. They do not migrate but are known to make seasonal movements in response to rain. After shooting them, we went ahead. There was a broken twig on which many barn swallows has perched. Though the barn swallows are quite common meter maggots throughout India, but it is very difficult to find them perched because they are constantly moving. Then I spotted a plover, and I think it is a greater sand plover. They are similar to the lesser sand plover except that they have pale legs, a greater head size, and is bigger in size than the lesser sand plover. When we were getting closer to Mohana, on the right there was a water body or marsh, and there were some plovers and birds that I spotted in the marsh. One was a pipit which went away before I could even shot it, so I don't know what pipit it was. And then I spotted a common sandpiper. There was a mixed flock of plovers. There was Kentish plover. Kentish plovers are small, agile shorebirds which darts along coastline, saline lakes, lagoons, marshes, etc. I could also spot some Tibetan sand plovers. In last year or so, the lesser sand plover has been divided into two subspecies. One is Tibetan sand plover, which is widely found in India. Another one is the Siberian sand plover. So this was the Tibetan sand plover, which does not have a very prominent neckband like the Kentish plover and is lesser in size than the greater sand plover. If you can spot any other bird in this lot, do let me know in the comment section. There was one plover which has paler legs, so I think it is a greater sand plover. Also, in this lot there was a very small one which was mostly the little stint, but the correct ID, it was difficult because I could not go closer to the birds and I was really missing my usual gears, so I will never do it again, that I will leave my gears at home while I am on a trip. So you never know, even in family trip I might end up doing bird watching. Being on a family trip, the bird watching time was very less, but still I was enjoying my time with these birds. Though from a distance and I was not able to shoot them properly, but I was really enjoying watching them. So next time when you visit Puri, make sure you do some bird watching in this spot and try to find out what birds you can find. I am really thankful to Devarnav who has shared this location because I had a very beautiful morning that day. I decided not to go further and then return back from this area. But before that, nearby I could spot another bird. and went after it. If I could manage a closer look. And there it was. Little ring plovers are small plovers with bright yellow earrings. They are winter migrants in variety of fresh and brackish wetland habitats in India. After shooting this bird, we decided to return, but it was such a beautiful morning with so many birds. I wish to come back to this habitat again next time when I visit Puri in Odisha. If you like this place and like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, click on the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So till the next video, next adventure, next exploration, you all stay healthy, stay happy and bye for now.